Okay, so this is the, I guess you'd say, moment of truth for this whole thing. I just want to say before we actually power this thing on and see if it hopefully works, that you guys may not have seen the entire build process, and that's because it was kind of difficult for me to get a lot of the shots because of the fact that I was at a very odd angle, which is something I always say. But you know, I'm not going to ramble on any longer. I'm going to plug this thing in with the very nicely included power cable that EVGA gave to us for the power supply. We're going to turn the power supply on. We've got to hook up to the monitor. I've only got 5 minutes on my SD card, so we got to make this quick. And the build is on. Everything, all the lights are on. The fans on the CPU are on. Fans in the case are on. And the monitor is coming on. CPU or memory changed. Please enter setup to configure your system. Okay, so we'll just do. Let's just enter setup and see what it's having us do here. So this is the very nice MSI Click BIOS, and I don't have a mouse plugged in, so I'm not actually going to be able to use this. But I guess I could just use default settings because it's found an Intel Core i7-7700K at the top there. If I show you right there, at 4.2 gigahertz, it's found the memory, which is 16 gigabytes, and it's found everything. So let's just unload. I mean, this thing is very quiet. I need to say that right now. I can't hear, like, I thought that it wasn't working when I first turned it on, but all the lights came on. I'm like, this thing is really quiet. So that is awesome. I haven't plugged in any hard drives or anything to this, so it's just gonna post and go right into the BIOS, as you can see. So that is great. That is working. I'm going to have to go now through the process of cloning my 2 terabyte hard drive over to the SSHD that I purchased. I may do a separate video on that, but I think for you know, this video, I'm sure it's gone on pretty long for you guys, and I've only got 3 minutes, as I said, on my SD card. So I just want to thank you again so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, definitely be sure to like and subscribe, and you know, let me know down in the comments below if you want to see any more videos like this on my new 2017 build. So again, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.